is TV Gaming and I'm okay, it's lagging. My name is TV Gaming and I'm making another reaction. Novu reakciju radim ljudi. Danas ću, izvinite zato što sam pričao u engleskom, zašto je štopa tako jako? Danas ću raditi reakciju na what suns for other universes look like. Znači, izvinite zbog koze, kako sunce izgledaju na drugim galaksijama i to. Pa ajmo vidjeti.
What do suns from other universes look like?
What do suns from other universes
Hello everyone,
look like?
welcome to our channel.
Hello
In today's
everyone.
video, we're going to tell
Welcome to our
you
channel.
about different suns from other
We're going to
galaxies.
tell you about different suns
Our
from other
sun
galaxies.
is really one big star,
Our
and there are
sun
billions
is really
and billions
one
of
big
stars in
star.
our universe.
Yeah.
And there are billions
Let's put on our
and billions of
sunglasses,
stars in our universe.
slather on some
Yep.
sunscreen,
Let's put on our
and head out to
sunglasses,
explore what
slather
they're
on
like.
some sunscreen and
So,
head out to
what's the
explore
main
what they're
difference
like.
between a sun and a star?
What's the
It's
main
pretty
difference
simple.
between a sun
A star
and
is
a
called a
star?
sun if it is the
It's
center
pretty
of a
simple.
planetary
The
system.
star is called a sun.
Scientists found a large number of planets that orbit other stars. They are official suns of those planetary systems. The number of extrasolar planets that have been detected is increasing very rapidly as we find new planetary systems. We know of more than 2,000 one-planet systems and progressively fewer systems with many planets. Still Liu, an expert on solar energy at Washington State University, says that there are so many stars that we can't really count them all. Stars, like the sun, can come in all kinds of colors, shapes, and sizes. Scientists put them in different categories depending on their size, brightness, and other characteristics. YZ Cetus. YZ Cetus is a small red main sequence dwarf star that is located in the constellation of Cetus, less than 12 light years away. The star can't be seen with the naked eye. You need a telescope to see it. YZ Cetus has at least 3 extrasolar planets orbiting around it. The orbits of the 3 confirmed planets were determined to be too close to YZ Cetus to be within the star's habitable zone. So there's little or no possibility that there's life in the Cetus planetary system. The star's temperature has been calculated as being 2,942 Kelvin. In other words, insanely hot. YZ Cetus is about 13% the mass of the Sun and 17% of its radius. Its radius is only 0.05 times bigger than the Sun, approximately 35,315.28 kilometers. WASP-63. WASP-63 is a white to yellow star that can be located in the constellation of Columba at 1,076 light years from our solar system. The planetary system hosts at least one planet believed to be in orbit around the star. WASP-63 has a spectral type of G8. This means the star is a white to yellow star. It has been calculated as 1.88 times bigger than the Sun. 1,308,104 kilometers. The planet WASP-63b is a gas giant exoplanet that orbits a G-type star. Its mass is 0.37 Jupiters, and it takes 4.4 days to complete one orbit of its star. Its discovery was announced in 2012. TRAPPIST-1. The TRAPPIST-1 system is thought to be one of our best opportunities to find habitable planets beyond our solar system. It was discovered by the team of Belgian astronomers in 2015. TRAPPIST-1 is an ultra-cool red dwarf star that is slightly larger but much more massive than the planet Jupiter. The system is located 40 light years from the Sun in the constellation Aquarius. The Sun is approximately 8% the mass of and 11% the radius of the Sun. The research seems to suggest that the 7 planets that comprise the TRAPPIST-1 system are similar to the rocky worlds in our solar system in various ways. For instance, 5 of the planets don't possess an atmosphere consisting of hydrogen and helium, like that of Neptune and Uranus. Each of TRAPPIST-1's planets is roughly the size of Earth and are tightly packed together, with all of their orbits keeping them closer to their host star than Mercury is to the Sun. These planets are incredibly far away, which can make it very difficult to study them. Gliese 876. Previously well known as Ross 780, Gliese 876 is a red dwarf approximately 15 light-years away from Earth in the constellation of Aquarius. Unlike other red dwarf stars, however, it is not visible to the naked eye. Estimates suggest it is only 32% of the mass of the Sun. It is one of the closest known stars to the Sun confirmed to possess a planetary system. The surface temperature of Gliese 876 is cooler than the Sun, and the star has a smaller radius. On June 22, 1998, two independent teams of astronomers announced the discovery of a Jupiter-class planet in close orbit around this star. Gliese 876 is likely to be around 6.5 to 9.9 billion years old. 55 Cancri. 55 Cancri, or 55 CNC, is a binary star, approximately 41 light-years away from the Sun in the constellation of Cancer. The system consists of a yellow dwarf star, 55 Cancri A, and a smaller red dwarf, 55 Cancri B. It is more enriched than the Sun in elements heavier than helium. It is therefore classified as a rare super metal-rich star. Interesting to mention that 55 CNC planetary system has a planet called 55 Cancri E, a super Earth about twice our planet's size, that zooms around its star in 18 days. It has a surface temperature of nearly 4,900 degrees Fahrenheit. For a while, it was dubbed the Diamond Planet because scientists suggested that it was composed of diamonds and graphite. Kepler 122. Kepler 122 is a star that can be located in the constellation of Lyra. It is 1.0 times more massive and 1.2 times bigger compared with our Sun. The planetary system Kepler 122 hosts at least 5 planets. Scientists do not know whether life could exist on the newfound planets, but their discovery signals we are another step closer to finding a world similar to Earth around a star like our Sun.
Hosts at least 5 planets. Scientists do not know whether life could exist on the newfound planets, but their discovery signals we are another step closer to finding a world similar to Earth around a star like our Sun.
Ljudi, stvarno se nadam da ovdje može
V391 Pegasi. V391 Pegasi is a blue-white subdwarf star, approximately 4,570 light-years away in the constellation of Pegasus. It is small, with only half the mass and a bit less than 1/4 the diameter of the Sun. It has luminosity 15.4 times the Sun. At one point, V391 Pegasi was a star much like our own Sun, but it expelled its outer envelope early before the core even began fusing helium. As V391 Pegasi moved from the red phase to a blue-white subdwarf star, its planetary system remained intact. V391 Pegasi b is the first planet found after the red giant phase. The planet is about 3 times the mass of Jupiter, and currently orbits its star from a distance of about 1.7 astronomical units, AU, or about 158 million miles, a bit further out than Mars currently orbits the Sun. The future for the star is to eventually cool down to make a low-mass white dwarf. The reason that some stars, like V391 Pegasi, lose so much mass is not well known. Although our Sun might be the closest star to us on Earth, it is certainly not the biggest or brightest star in the universe. Our Sun is fairly puny compared to some other stars. In fact, if you put our Sun next to the giant star VY Canis Majoris, well, you could barely see it. It's a speck, like a grain of sand next to a basketball. They say size is all relative, and in this case, it is certainly true. If you're curious, subscribe to our channel to keep up to what's going on in the world and beyond.
You can barely see it. It's a speck, like a grain of sand next to a basketball. They say size is all relative, and in this case, it is certainly true. If you're curious, subscribe to our channel to keep up to what's going on in the world and beyond.
Ok, ljudi, ja mislim da ću ostaviti ovaj video vamo. To je jako bilo zanimljivo zapravo. Ako ste razumjeli sve ovo, svaka vam čast. Ja sam razumio. Ja pričam engleski već od kad sam bio mali. Ali ljudi, ovo su ostali gdje ima planeta što bi ja htio da mogu živjeti ljudi tamo. Bilo bi izvrsno da mogu ljudi živjeti tamo, znači samo se premjestimo odavde do drugog mjesta. Nije zato što hoćemo proširiti naš život, mislim i to, ali ako pogodi, ako uništi jednu planetu kao nešto ne do Bog, možemo na toj planeti ovi drugi ljudi gdje su se premjestili živjeti i nastaviti razmnožavati. I ja, ovo mi je jako bilo zanimljivo. Ako hoćete još jedan video da napravim, stavite like, subscribe, share i vidimo se u drugom videu.